Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Facebook Pixel. First, access your Facebook Business Manager. From there, find the Events Manager in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll create and manage your pixels. It's a crucial step for tracking website activity and optimizing your ad campaigns. We'll walk through each part to ensure a smooth setup process. Now, let's create your pixel. Click the Connect Data Sources button, then select Web. Choose Facebook Pixel and give your pixel a clear, descriptive name. After naming it, input your website's URL. This helps Facebook suggest the best integration method for your site, making the next steps much easier. Next, you'll install the pixel code. You have two main options: manually add the code or use a partner integration like Shopify or WordPress. If installing manually, copy the entire base pixel code provided in Events Manager. Then, paste this code into the header section of every page on your website just before the closing head tag. Finally, verify your pixel and set up events. Install the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension to confirm your pixel is firing correctly. Then, configure standard events like Add to Cart or Purchase, and create custom events for specific actions. This detailed tracking is vital for powerful ad targeting. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.